So on this episode of Steven Ruins a Perfectly Good Miata, we're at Matt's house. Say hi, Matt.
I just found $50 literally in my jeans.
Fall that hard way. Tell me about it.
I got these jack stands that are also about as old as I am.
I have jack stands that I bought this decade if you want.
They work, man. They help.
You want to tell us what we're doing today?
Alexa, pause. Am I on? It's recording? It's live?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Alright, live from the garage. It's Thursday afternoon, and we are going to take the exhaust off of the Miata, cut out the muffler, put in a glass pack, and hopefully it'll sound cool.
Do you want to go to AutoZone and see if they have glass packs in stock first?
Yeah.
Let's do that.
Alexa, pause. I did the most genius thing ever.
Okay, so wait, here's the plan. We're gonna take this,
Oh, we're recording?
and it's gonna go here.
Oh!
I'm not on fire, am I?
No.
Okay. We're getting in there. This is exciting and terrifying, and I love it. So, mostly cut through the exhaust. Alright, so those are on. Alright, so it's out. And now we gotta get the new one that definitely is not gonna fit back in.
Yeah, go for it.
Okay, no more of that.
So the glass pack is too big. It's too long. We would have to cut a hole in the side of the bumper, and that's not really what we're interested in doing. Then the exhaust clamps were too tight, and the spacer pipes we put on, the adapter pipes, are now crushed around the exhaust. So I'm going to attempt to notch a little bit into the side of this so we can remove this and get back to regular exhaust. So far, the only thing we've done positive is added the new hanger, so the pipe is properly hung. Here we go! It's not plugged in.
You got that. There we go.
Now this is properly fucked. Look at that, that's how it looks on the inside of this pipe on the back now.
From the clamp?
Yeah, from the exhaust clamp.
Alright, well at least we know that they're tight and they won't make exhaust leaks.
I mean, yeah, that means they work.
do their job.
Work as intended.
Okay.
So,
Alright, to the auto parts store.
to the auto parts store.
The other muffler was too big, so we just chopped all that shit off. We got this one, which I know looks like a regular muffler, but it's pretty empty on the inside, so it should still sound good and be a terrible idea. Equally a terrible idea, slightly less of a terrible idea, I'd say, but it's still ruined. Still gonna ruin the
Still
car
gonna
for
be
the most
loud.
part.
Very loud.
So we got an adapter clamped on here. We got a elbow clamped on here. And we just got to get the other hanger for this side, clamp it on this side, and it should work. Be very jank, but it should work.
It won't look jank from the outside.
No, it won't. It'll just look like a
It'll look
muffler.
like an exhaust. It'll look almost
with
stock.
a label on.
That'll come off.
Yeah, that'll burn off.
That'll burn off pretty fast. Hang the muffler in front of my face and don't drop it on me.
I'll try.
Higher or lower?
You gotta go higher with that.
Okay. Alright, ready? Drop the muffler.
I'd go up like 3 or 4.
I could tap it in right there.
That's probably the best place for it.
Okay. This thing's sweet.
Did not realize that there was 2 sides to that. I forgot, that's mine. I bought that.
This is your angle grinder. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Nice and clean.
Down up there. Hopefully we gained a little bit of room from it. Looks like we did.
Should have. It's on as far as you want?
Yeah. Taking it for the first test ride, and we'll see how it does driving.
We should measure before we go to advanced.
And also, while it's more fun to not have a plan, we should probably have more of a plan.
Yeah, it's working.
It doesn't sound as bad as I thought it would. It's kind of alright. Not great, if I'm being honest.
It's got a low tone to it at a constant idle and at a high idle,
Yeah, like less than 50% throttle, I think it sounds fine.
but when you're really on the gas, it starts to get a tinny sound. But it doesn't sound like a piece of shit Honda.
No, it sounds much better than a Honda still.
I think it sounds pretty darn good for such a tiny motor.
Yeah, for a Miata, it's
Plus,
pretty great.
with like AutoZone parts. I think
Yeah,
it sounds pretty good.
and about, oh, we forgot to mention, we'll do like a parts list of,
Yeah, parts list is scrolling here.
about like, I don't know, probably like 80 bucks.
Forgot about that. What?
About like 80 bucks?
Yeah, easily. Muffler was like 40. We bought two.
It was like 30, but yeah, we returned
one.
it, but it's like 30 bucks for the muffler, and then miscellaneous clamps and parts.
Clamps and parts, no
Adapters.
welding. Welding eventually, maybe.
Yep. Better than a Honda. It's a win.
Much better than a Honda.
That's it.
Oh, we drove past a guy and he told us to cut it out, so it's loud. That's a plus.
Yeah.
And we drove past cops and they didn't pull us over, so
So it's not
that
too loud.
So that's what's important.
So it's perfect. It's a perfect balance
Yeah.
between
And we
getting
passed-
pulled over and people telling you to be quiet.
That's it. That's all she wrote.